Alright, Colin here and this is Shine Automotive, and in today's episode we're putting the new suspension on the EnduroKA for the new championship regulations. So we'll get the old Bilstein suspension taken off, then I'll show you the new suspension that we've got going on, and we've got some new tyres because they've changed that. I've got some bushes to put on the front as well. So let's crack on with today's episode. We'll jump straight into a time lapse and get these off right now. Right, Kev's got the normal lights running on. We took the green ones off because we use them for the nighttime race at Brands Hatch. If you haven't seen that, there's a wicked documentary that they made it, so I'll put a link up above now where you can check that documentary out. I really do suggest going and checking it out. We've taken the bumpers off as well, the front bumper, because it had all the lights in, so hopefully we'll just keep them bumpers for when we do a nighttime race, so we can just swap them on. So we need to get some bumpers found and put on. We're going to jump onto the back now, get the back bumper off, and then put the suspension in and service the back brakes. So let's crack on. What do you want? When Kev took the back bumper off, we discovered that the toy knife, where the toy knife strap was, obviously we've had a bit of toying with it, it's decided to exit itself through the body. It's not like a KA to be rotten. I was quite shocked really. So I've just clagged it full of welds. It's fine, it likes it. Bumper's covering it back up, but it's made it solid again until it splits somewhere else. But if we want to get pulled out the gravel, we want to make sure we're gonna get pulled out the gravel, not end up with strap getting pulled up. So yeah, gonna run another bit of weld along the top now. Kev's painting that drum because I was going to put new drums on the back, but they're alright, so just giving them a bit of a tickle up. Then we'll stick both painted drums on the back and we'll get the new shockers fitted. Oh yeah! So here is the new suspension, the gas suspension. This is the rear one, so we'll get on and we'll chuck this one on now, and then we'll get the back done and get the wheels on and move on to the front. Very, 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 very nice. Do you like them? Do you think they're nice? Do you think they're nice? Do you like them? No. Well, that's the new gas shocker put on, looking very, very nice. And obviously drums, just painted them up, freshened them up, just give it a fresh look. Brakes were fine, just serviced them up, don't really want good grippy brakes on the back. So yeah, let's crack on with the front end now. What do you reckon to them new springs? Do you like them?
Blingy.
Oh, very nice.
Nice purple.
Woo. Right, there we go, that is the front done. I've got the space heater on because it is freezing and snowing outside. That shocker is done on the front, just got to sort out the brake pipe, maybe do the brake pads, but I like to get my use out of the brake pads. I only did one set the first season and another set the last season. I like to get a season out of a set of pads, but they're low, like, LOL. That's that front strut all done, the new gas shock. Just got to sort the arms out next. Kev's prepping them bumpers, just going to fist tin them up because we're keeping the other ones for the nighttime race so we can just swap them over. That was Wayne's idea. And then the new poly bushes for the front arms are here, so I'm going to strip these arms down now while Kev's doing the bumpers. Get these bushes off, clean them up. Found a nice set of Ford arms to use so they're nice and strong. Strip them down, paint them up and have fun getting these bushes in. There's something missing. Hey, there's a part missing here. Huh? There's one of them sleeves missing. No, hey? It's alright, I found it, so there we go. So yeah, let's jump on with it and then I'll put that strut on there. What a nightmare it was to get that back bush out. I normally don't have that much problem. I had to weld the collar to get it to close up and then braid it off with a chisel. That one was alright. So we'll get them cleaned down, chuck some paint on them and then we'll build the bushes up. Kev's getting them arms painted up. What? That's not very nice. No, not me. Got the space heater on and got the poly bushes just sat in front of it. It makes them just a little bit more easy to put in. We don't like to graft too hard. That sounds like it's running out of diesel. Or what? Right, that arm's about dry enough. I think it's sat in front of the space heater for a while. So we'll put the two sleeves in first. Them two go in there, that to go in there. I don't think I'll need to use a press. We'll just have a go pressing them in with a vice. If not, we'll have to go over to press, but we'll have a go. There's no sharp edges, all that's cleaned up. That's what you want to make sure for easiness, that they're cleaned up. So let's jump into it. Enjoying sanding. Living the dream. Let's get this heater back on because it's free. Right, get it on. Smoky. Screen's going in now, look at that. Getting ready for race day.
So what's your, if I was to sort of...
Shine Automotive. Yeah. So I made a massive filming mistake, error, and when I walked off I forgot to take the camera because it wouldn't go in on the vice. So we had to press the sleeve in, just pressed it in. Took about 6 or 7 ton on the press to press the sleeve in, then the rubber bit just popped in and then the middle sleeve. So they're both done now. I'll chuck them on first before we put the new ball joints on that we've got as well. So yeah, we'll get on with that and we'll fit the last strut on there now. So let's crack on. arms on with the new bushes. Proper hard to fit they were. New ball joints on. Shockers are all on now on the passenger side as well. Bit of hose around the braided pipes. Just worried about it rubbing because there's nowhere to really fix it. That should stop that from rubbing. Arm on that side as well. New ball joint. Then we'll get the nice new duty wheels fitted with the nice new duty tyres. Got that to do. Then we'll get the bumpers fitted and the stickers on. I'm going to take this door wrap off next. Get a new door wrap put on that side and a new door wrap put on that side. Braid this dent out the quarter and put the new wrap on that side. But that'll all be done in the next one. So I'll see you in the next one. I've been Colin. Bye now.